Sustainability is a really important focus for UK manufacturing. In the manufacturing sector overall is a big emitter of CO2. Digital Catapult has a really important role to play in the decarbonisation of the UK through deep tech solutions.
If we don't look at sustainability, we won't be able to carry on building the way that we are. We're trying to derive sustainability with data-driven decisions. Working with smaller SMEs, they have the capability and the expertise to look into more detail into areas that we can't focus on. It gives us an opportunity to find digital solutions of how we can improve those processes.
The challenge that we were set was to work with HS2, looking at repurposing of temporary fixed assets and the materials that exist inside of them. Our solution, ILUS, is a material management platform that can estimate the amount of recoverable materials that exist inside of assets that are created as part of building a major project. That means that actually you can plan how your materials can be used after they've been used to construct your first project. And therefore you can avoid material being sent to landfill and avoid the carbon expenditure that comes from continually sourcing new materials by repurposing the embedded carbon that exists in materials that are already in assets.
For Consetsu, the relationship with Digital Catapult has been absolutely fantastic. It came along at the right time, and our platform has improved dramatically over this process in the last 9 months. We would not have had the ability to do that because we wouldn't have had the funds to focus on that particular area. So for us, it's been a game changer.
We need some sort of platform where deep tech innovators, SMEs, and industry leaders can interact with one another, take ideas and apply them within their own businesses. Digital Catapult have provided us with that collaborative forum, and to have that linkage between industry leaders and SMEs, it's given us the ability to find what is best fitted for our program to be able to improve the industry as a large, but also improve infrastructure projects that might be going in the future.